If your eBay sales crashed after May 2025 and your promoted listing costs tripled, here's why. eBay changed to any-click attribution. Now, if any buyer clicks your promoted listing once, you pay ad fees on every sale of that item for 30 days, even organic sales. Example, buyer A clicks your ad but doesn't buy. Then, buyers B, C, D, E find you organically over 30 days and purchase. You're paying promoted fees on all those sales. Sellers in Germany saw attributed sales jump from 40% to 90% overnight. Same in UK. US gets hit January 2026. Here's the fix. Stop bleeding money on promoted listings and focus on crushing organic ranking instead. Here's how 3D Sellers does this for you. Open the Listings Manager. Now, use the Bulk Actions feature. Click Edit Promoted Listings. Lower your ad rate or pause campaigns in one click across hundreds of listings. Next, use AI SEO optimization. Click any listing, hit Generate Title with AI. The system analyzes top-performing listings in your category and rewrites your title and description to match current search patterns. Front-loads keywords, uses all 80 characters, mobile optimized. Apply this to thousands of listings in under 10 minutes. Bulk Actions. Within 2 to 3 weeks, you'll see impressions increase in the analytics dashboard, your organic traffic recovers, promoted listing dependency drops. This is exactly how sellers recovered after May 2025. They stopped paying eBay for traffic they should have gotten organically. Try 3D Sellers free for 7 days. The bulk editing and AI SEO tools alone will save you 10+ hours this week. No credit card. Link below.